This vending machine made $300 this week, without me even being there. I started this passive income business for less than $2,000, and today I'll show you how to do the same, even with no experience. Introduction to the vending machine. Business. Welcome to our discussion about the vending machine business, a lucrative and accessible opportunity for those seeking passive income. In this video, we'll explore why vending machines are such an attractive investment, how they generate passive income, and what you need to know to get started. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a scalable business model, vending machines can offer flexibility, minimal maintenance, and consistent cash flow. Let's dive into the details and uncover the potential of this industry. The appeal of passive income through vending machines. One of the biggest reasons people are drawn to vending machines is the promise of passive income. Once a vending machine is properly stocked and placed in a high-traffic location, it requires minimal day-to-day involvement. Customers pay directly into the machine, eliminating the need for staff, and the machine operates 24/7, earning money even when you're sleeping. While you'll need to periodically restock inventory and perform maintenance, the time commitment is far lower than traditional businesses. This makes vending machines ideal for busy professionals, retirees, or anyone looking to diversify their income streams. Getting started. Initial investment and location selection. Starting a vending machine business involves an upfront investment, but the costs are relatively low compared to other ventures. A single vending machine typically costs between $1,000 and $5,000, depending on its type and features. You'll also need to factor in inventory costs, such as snacks, beverages, or specialty items like electronics or beauty products. However, the key to success lies in selecting the right location. High-traffic areas like office buildings, schools, gyms, hospitals, and shopping centers are prime spots for vending machines. Securing permission from property owners and negotiating favorable agreements is crucial to maximizing profits. Maximizing profits and scaling the business. To make your vending machine business truly profitable, focus on offering popular, high-margin products that meet the needs of your target audience. For example, healthy snacks and drinks are in high demand at gyms, while traditional chips and sodas may perform better in break rooms. Regularly analyzing sales data will help you identify trends and adjust your inventory accordingly. Once you've mastered one machine, scaling up is straightforward. Add more machines in strategic locations to multiply your revenue. Many successful operators grow their businesses into fleets of machines, creating substantial passive income over time. Final thoughts and tips for success. The vending machine business is not just about placing machines and waiting for profits. It requires planning, research, and attention to detail. Choose reliable machines with modern payment options like credit card readers and mobile payments to attract more customers. Build strong relationships with location owners and maintain your machines to ensure customer satisfaction. With dedication and smart decision-making, vending machines can provide a steady stream of passive income and financial freedom. If you're ready to take the first step, start small, learn as you go, and watch your business grow. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the vending machine business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this information helpful.